Hi, Tony Fennell, Mercedes-Benz Scarborough, Maine. My cell is 978-764-1232. Want to show you this stock unit, NT101027. It's a MXC A7X, Mercedes-Benz 3500 heavy-duty cargo, 170 wheelbase, high roof, 4x4 with the 6-cylinder diesel engine. This is obsidian black, metallic. Looks very nice. Chrome, 3-pointed stock, chrome tipped, radiator grille. Front bumpers are painted to match the rest of the body color. A nice step here to climb up onto the bumper to get into the engine compartment. I see the Parktronic sensors, the high performance LED headlights with the fog lights act as corner lights. These Continental winter tires are wrapped on these gloss black painted steel wheels. Looks very, very nice. She's a beauty. Dualies in the back. It'll take about 4,500 pounds inside it and tow 7,500 pounds behind it. Again, the Parktronic sensors in the back. The rear doors open that far. It has the wood floor, composite wood floor with the D-rings. I see the LED interior, or LED cargo lights, I should say, along with the standard cargo lights. Let's get a view around this side. Black leatherette seats, swivel, the large MBUX multimedia, 10.25, the largest screen you can get. Electric seats, memory, heated seats. Power windows, doors, tilt, telescope and steering wheel, a leather steering wheel I should say. Weather, it's a leather steering wheel. It has the nice tray for wireless charging of your smartphone. You can pair the phone to the face of the display, a couple of C drives. There's some 12-volt power right there. These are outside air vents to drag in fresh air, more cup holders, more compartments to hide stuff. So you have your 4x4, 4-wheel low switches right here, your temperature controls right here, all this cool stuff up here that you can talk to it. You can say, hey Mercedes to it. Some more power, C drive, 115 volt electrical connection, more power right here. Handbrake for the swivel seats, it drops like that and you can swivel the seat right over it. There's controls for this side of the dash, controls with the mouse for that side of the dash. Your overhead control panel. You can call for roadside assistance. Just press a button and you talk to someone, the tow truck will show up. You can press a button, emergency vehicles, ambulance will show right up. Sunglasses. Map lights, dome light, cargo lights. Here's a nice spot for like a CB radio or a house or a workshop radio for the back of the vehicle, and another slot right here for the same extra infotainment. Let's get a look under the hood. All right, so you pull the release by your driver's kick panel, the prop rod, 6 gallons, DEF antifreeze goes right here, fresh air intake, filtered, oil filter cover, air cleaner cover, the snorkel, sucks air about this high. You want to stay below rivers and streams that far and below. Your positive jump right here, the negative, the battery's under your feet. It's a glass mat battery, maintenance free, you'll never go near it. Windshield washer fluid is really all you're going to go into the hood for. Your brake fluid goes here. The power steering fills right here, and the oil filter cover is right here. Tony Fennell, 978-764-1232. Call me.